Hello guys, this is Chelskie bag. I just made some damper in the fire out of wine and
chocolates.
Yeah, some chocolates and self-raising flour.
Did you put some sugar in that bag?
No.
Sugar? No.
No sugar.
Okay. So how many cups of flour did you put back? 1 cup
about
half cup. 4 cups? That's a lot. So what did you use that heavy thing? Yeah, self-raising flour.
Yeah.
Did you put any baking soda?
Yeah.
Oh, how about olive oil or oil? No? Butter?
No butter, nothing, just...
Wow. It's all natural food. So you like making it in the camping?
Yeah,
so
in the camp.
Heavy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. And how long did you cook it in the...
About 15 minutes.
Wow, it's like really camping stuff, guys.
Yeah.
Really, we call it like damper. How do you spell?
D-A-M-P-E-R.
Yeah, that's it, guys. It's pretty easy to cook. Like 15 minutes, pretty much.
About 15 minutes.
Yeah. Beautiful. What else? This one? That's all you put?
Yeah.
Okay. It's nothing else. It looks like sultanas, guys, but no, that's a
chocolate
yummy
chips.
chocolate chips. Yum yum. Cheers.
Cheers.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah. See
you next time in a video, guys. Ciao. Bye. Cheers. Yum. Do you want to cut it or later?
Maybe a bit later.
Okay.
After dinner.
Yeah, after dinner, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good time. Bye. Hi guys, I am going to show you some beautiful town in here. Pagwapa pa in the mirror. Yeah. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you around here. See in my back, beautiful skate park. Right there. Oh, namumula na tayo kasi it's hot. Char lang yan ay. Let's go, guys.